Hello friends, welcome to my channel Gayatri Vlogs. Today I'm going to show you how to make masala bhat in microwave. For this you're going to need 1.5 cup of rice along with 1 cup of tur dal. I have soaked them for 30 minutes and after soaking I have drained the water and added some lemon juice and salt into this. For tempering we need jeera powder, also known as cumin powder, garam masala, turmeric powder and red chili powder along with hing. The vegetables which we need are onion, cauliflower and potatoes. We have just chopped them and tomato along with coriander. And also for this masala bhat you're gonna need 3 tablespoons of malai. You can also use fresh cream into this. And so now let's get started with this. We have added some cumin and mustard into this oil now and they have spluttered. Now we will add onion into this. We will saute the onion into this oil. Now the onions are almost done and now we'll add our dry spices into this. Turmeric powder, red chili powder and garam masala were the spices which we have put into this now. And now we'll also add about a pinch of hing into this mixture. Hing will give a nice flavor to this. And now we will add the chopped tomatoes into this mixture. We will let the tomatoes cook until they release all their juices into this mixture now. To make the tomatoes cook faster, we are adding some salt into this mixture now. You can add salt as per your taste because we have also added salt earlier while soaking the rice. Now we are putting chopped cauliflower and potatoes into this mixture. We will just give it a quick stir so that all the spices coat the cauliflower and the potatoes. Now the cauliflower and the potatoes have been sorted into this and now we are adding our soaked rice and dal into this mixture. Now we have mixed the rice with all the cooked vegetables and spices and now we are just adding coriander into this mixture. Now it's the time to add the key ingredient, that is fresh cream or also malai. After mixing the malai, we have switched off the flame now. Now for making this pulav in the microwave, we will just take this rice, give it a quick stir and now we will transfer this rice into this microwavable cooker. This cooker is available with the microwave starter kit and it has a lid. So now we will transfer this rice into this cooker. Now we have transferred the rice into this microwavable cooker and the leftover water. After washing the pan, we are putting this water into this. Now our masala bhat is almost done and we will take this out of the microwave. We will open the lid now. Just see how our masala bhat is ready. It's really nice and fluffy. Guys, if you want to cook this on a gas, you can also use a pressure cooker or cook this in an open pan. Our khichdi is done now. If you like our video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe our channel.